to be 1, 3, 4. Which way do you go? There you go. Okay, so that really is a negative A1B3.
Well, most people know me as the math girl.
2, 7, negative 5.
And your orthogonal vector comes out the other. I really do love math, 100%.
What do you get when you do a cross product?
I'm a little bit dorky that way, it happens.
You get the zero vector.
I'm Beth Donovan, and I am an assistant professor of mathematics here at BCC. I have loved math since I was really little. My mom always said, and I don't really remember this, but she told me that when I was really young, I would run around the house and say I was going to get a PhD and be an astronaut. So I have been in love with math since as far as I can remember. I'm not going to sit back and say, oh, math is boring and math is hard and oh, you can't get through this. Math can be difficult. Not all math comes to people naturally, but it doesn't mean you're bad at it. It just means it's different. Moving numbers around on the board is not math. You know, solving for X is not math. If you can apply what you're doing in your life, then it makes more of an impact on you. It makes a difference for you. And that's what I really try to do and bring into the classroom is, hey, look at the cool stuff we can do with math. I don't want to just stand there with my back to the class and write on the board and sound like Charlie Brown's teacher. The more interest I can get out of my students, the more they understand what's going on, the more they really want to do it. Having this high level of math, what you're really doing is you're actually opening the students' minds to see where things come from and how they interact and how they really work. We make the students realize that it's not math is over here and science is over here and English is over here. Everything's a big cohesive unit. You don't go to a job and spend an hour doing math and then you turn around and you're like, oh, my 1 hour's up. Let me go do my English. It doesn't work that way. The world is cohesive. So one of the things with the higher level courses is you start to get that ability to draw the material together and the students can start to understand and see what they're learning and where it's going to take them and how that gets applied in the world.